Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of natural remedies, wholesome foods that can transform your life. Today, we're uncovering the amazing health benefits of okra, a versatile vegetable that's packed with nutrients and has a rich history. Stay tuned to discover why you might want to add this superfood to your diet. Originating from Africa, okra, also known as lady's fingers, has been cultivated for centuries, especially in tropical and warm temperate regions. Now is a staple in various cuisines worldwide, from the southern United States to India and beyond. Okra's health benefits are truly impressive. It aids in digestion due to its high fiber content, helps control blood sugar levels, and may reduce the risk of heart disease. The mucilage in okra also acts as a natural laxative, promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the antioxidants in okra can protect against certain cancers and support overall immune health. Okra is a great source of several vital vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as magnesium and folate. These nutrients contribute to maintaining healthy vision, skin, bones, and immune function. Okra is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be steamed, boiled, sautéed, fried, or even pickled or raw. It's a key ingredient in dishes like gumbo, bindi masala, and okra soup. Whether you enjoy it as a side dish or a main course, there's no shortage of delicious ways to incorporate okra into your diet. Here's a general overview of its nutritional profile per 100 grams of raw okra. About 33 kcal of calories, 1.9 grams of protein, 7.5 grams of carbohydrates, 3.2 grams of fiber, 1.5 grams of sugars, and 0.2 grams of fat. Research on okra has shown promising results. Studies suggest that its extract can help lower cholesterol levels and may even have anti-cancer properties. Its potential to aid in managing diabetes by slowing the absorption of sugar in the intestines is currently being explored. While okra is safe to consume, it can interfere with certain medications, particularly those for diabetes and blood clotting. Okra may lower blood sugar levels, so individuals on diabetes medication should monitor their blood glucose closely. Due to its high vitamin K content, it might affect blood-thinning medications. People with kidney stones should also exercise caution, as okra contains oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation. Okra is a nutritious and versatile vegetable that can play a vital role in a healthy diet. From its origins to its health benefits, there's so much to love about okra. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns about including it in your diet. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and wellness advice, be sure to subscribe to Pure Health and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Thank you for watching.